Yeah, at the in the Village of Caseyville, their December 20th, 2023 Village Board meeting. I'm gonna have to tell you before I give you a number of how many ways it was just incredibly just wrong, unethical, illegal. I just wanted to make sure I cleared something up. It apparently one of the trustees who attended my proceeding was apparently called on it by John Buckley, and in that meeting, Mr. Buckley, who I've helped a number of times over the years, file FOIA requests, no different than asking for these credit card invoices and so forth, then exactly like that for him, Brenda Williams, and others on the village board. And they weren't so worried. John wasn't so worried about reprisal from fellow board members. John was more worried about Bob Romantic on the radio attacking him when he filed a FOIA. And it's kind of the same for Brenda, but they wanted to know about these TIF spending and TIF 2, some handwritten checks, a bunch of FOIAs relative to that. There was itemized legal invoices in the Jose Alvarez case that Leonard Black refused to turn over, and all they wanted to know was, hey, is he was the current cost of the litigation versus settling the matter with Mr. Alvarez at the time. I helped him do that, and I got a lot of heat for that, but we did prevail. And if you can, it's all a matter of public record back in 2011, 2012, and 2013. So you can, take a look at the take a look at, you can look in the public record if you want. But it just kind of hurt my feelings. It was kind of funny that Miss Doty got up there and she was saying a lot of things that were factually inaccurate. I don't think she was doing it to be malicious. I think she was acting on bad information, and so I'm gonna cut Miss Doty a little slack, and maybe she was toy soldiered. Someone got her to go up there and make a statement. I'm not for sure, but she was off target in a lot of ways. If she now, that's kind of what they call to be toy soldiers, so it doesn't feel very good, now does it? But anyway, I'll explain all those things and then some. If you have any questions, I've been getting some interesting phone calls. I'm going to put the number I've been getting text messages from. I'll put those in the comments if you want to take a look. But it just kind of hurt my feelings again. I guess when John Buckley was asking me, all those, so many times to get public information, for him it was okay. But if anybody else were to ask me to file a FOIA request, I guess that's some kind of crazy collusion or some just. I guess I gotta laugh because it's so archaic, but it's just crazy. But what's funny here, you guys, here's the moral of it. Your former mayor, Leonard Black, has clowned you all. I have to tell you, because if you think back, what really started a lot of this discourse was those credit card invoices and charging for them, or whether or not to charge for them. And for one reason or another, or one way or another, Leonard Black made, I guess, Matt Nadrowski think there was something there to look at. And that's what started this whole mess. It had nothing to do with the transmission or going after anybody personally or individually. Again, nothing has made Mr. Scott look like something inappropriate could or may have happened here, more than is Doug Stewart, the village attorney, by his just ridiculous handling of some freedom of information requests. Anyway, just wanted to clear that up. And Van Leer Eckert was at my court hearing too, and he didn't have a court case in there, Mr. Buckley. Maybe you want to ask Van Leer why he was present at my hearing. Also, maybe take a look at the work product associated with all of those crazy legal research charges on the invoices for the months of September, October, November. And hey, those of you that made fun of me being puffed up like a toad, hey man, that's just what happens when you've had a stroke. So I hope you have a good laugh. And anyway, that's maybe why my speech is like that. But in 2016, I had a small stroke, and as a direct result of something that happened in Casey. Isn't that funny how that works? But anyway, so thanks for the ridicule on your on those Christmas text messages. I hope you enjoyed planning my demise, whoever you are, planning my demise on Christmas Day. So God bless you. Good luck. Anyway, thanks for everybody. If you have any questions, once again, just leave messages and I'll get back to you. Thanks. Hope that clears that up.